మా నేను చేసా.
Good morning, children. How are you? Fine. I hope you are doing good. Today, the first lesson, the snake and the mirror, completed. And the vocabulary also I taught you. Regarding grammar, today I would like to discuss with you grammar. So, in this grammar part today, I want to discuss with you from the beginning, which means from the basic. In part of that, so now I am speaking to you, I am discussing with you, I am conversing with you. In that part, I am using different words and a group of words. All this group of words, the words which are uttered, which I spoke to you, which I am delivering. So different words together, we may speak and we may write. We may speak and we may write. That is called sentence. A words, a group of words. A group of words which makes complete sense, complete meaning. Complete meaning. That is called sentence. Now I am going to discuss with you sentence. Right? Sentence. This is the topic today I want to discuss with you, my dear children. A sentence is a group of words which make complete meaning, or that is called a complete sentence. That is called sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete meaning or complete sentence, meaning of the sentence. It is called sentence in Japan. Right? Here, there are different types of sentences. While we are conversing with the people, different type of sentences and we express and that part, and we are expressing different ways. Sometimes it may be exaggeration, sometimes it may be a question. Sometimes it may be a interjection. So like this, different ways that we are expressing. So likewise, and here the sentences are also different sentences, both in writing and speaking. Both in writing as well as in speaking. So here, the types of the sentences. what we know what is a sentence just now, and we have known. And the next class is the types of the sentences. Types of sentence. The first one is assertive. Assertive sentence. And the second one is interrogative sentence. And third one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. And fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Right, my dear children? So here how many types of here? Assertive, or it is also known as declarative. Declarative sentence. So here interrogative sentence, that is nothing but a question. Imperative sentence, in the sense we express moods. Exclamative sentence. Exclamative sentence, that means we exclaim some strong and sudden feelings. Strong and sudden feelings. So these are the sentences, my dear children. Now I want to discuss with you, because before we learn the grammar, we have to better to know this. What is the sentence? The types of the sentences. Now, so all of you, please note it down. Right? Next to the types of sentences, the first type of sentence I am going to discuss with you. The first one is assertive sentence. The assertive sentence is a sentence, it's nothing but a statement. It is nothing but a statement. The statement is, for example, he is a doctor. It is a statement. She is dancing. It is a statement. They are playing games. And it is also a statement. See, the statement is end with the full stop and it gives a complete meaning. That is called assertive sentence. That is called assertive sentence, we call it here. My dear children, here assertive in the sense it is a statement. The statement in the sense here it is a complete word. The sentence begin with capital letter and with full stop. It is called assertive sentence. In assertive sentence there is a subject and the verb predicate. And here is the subject, the verb predicate. Here the subject, verb and object. So that means here the sentence is completed so that it is called assertive sentence. And a few more examples let me tell you. The school reopens. One more sentence. The school reopens on 12th June every year, right? So here the school reopens. It is a statement. So it is a declared. So every year 12th June school reopens. It is a declared. It is also called, this is not only assertive sentence but also it is also called declarative sentence that you have to remember in your mind. Our next sentence is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. This imperative sentence means here, in this imperative sentence we express some moods. And this means a sentence that is represented in a polite manner or in the form of a request, command, or order, or wish, etc. are called imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Right, children? Here, a sentence that is represented in a polite manner, or in the form of a request, or in the form of a command, or in the form of a order or wish. These are the sentences are called imperative sentence. Very important, please note it down. Imperative sentences begins with verb form and object. No subject. Subject is not there. Subject should not be there. The sentence is begin with verb and objective. Example. If you see example, post this letter. Post this letter. See, post is a verb form and this letter is an object. So here the sentence begin with verb form and ends with the full stop. This is called imperative sentence. One more sentence. Please close the window. Please close the window. Please. It is requested. Close the window. Verb form and object. And one more sentence I will write here. Stop talking. Stop talking. Here look at the board, my dear children. Stop is a verb form and talking. So here it is a command. So I told this is a command. Imperative sentence is a sentence that is represented in a polite manner or in the form of a request, command, order, wish. So it is command. Stop talking. Stop. And orders. For example, makes 2 cups of coffee. See, make is a verb form and 2 cups of coffee is the object. Here is the order. Here is order. Here is a command. See, these are the examples of the imperative sentences, my dear children. You have to remember. Please note it down. Ravi, please note it down. Next one. Exclamatory next, third one, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Right? Exclamatory in the sentence means here a sentence is expressed. See, a sentence is expressed sudden or strong feelings so those are called exclamatory sentence. So for example, the exclamatory sentence is with the exclamatory mark. This is called exclamatory mark. Exclamatory mark. Or next, see example, how cold in the night. See exclamatory mark. How beautiful is this? Wow! Alas! See, the sentence మీరు ఏ వాక్యంలోనన్నా చూస్తే ఎనీ సెంటెన్స్ లో కనుక చూస్తే ఎక్స్క్లమేటరీ మార్క్ ఉందంటే ఇట్స్ నో డౌట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్ ఎక్స్క్లమేటరీ సెంటెన్స్. ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్ ఎక్స్క్లమేటరీ సెంటెన్స్ లైక్ దిస్ అండ్ వావ్, అలాస్, వాచ్. So definitely there will be exclamatory sentence. So these sentences and there are four types of sentences and three sentences I discuss with you, and based on this and I'll give some information regarding this, right, my dear children? Here this is the notes which you have to write in your notebook.